playing Teardown. I've started playing through a little bit recently. I've had the game for a little while and just never recorded on it. I like the game, it's fun. And yeah, that's about it. So get into it. I've already started the campaign. I've gotten like halfway through the first act. It's kind of weird. It's kind of wacky. It's kind of fun. And here we go. Yeah. Let's see what we can do. Alright, so we've got insurance problem and Blue Tide, which is the main mission, and it's the one I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna try and get every single one. Yeah, there's my mods: laser gun, minigun, and modern tools. Alright, let's see. So we've got one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here, and one here. And I'm probably just gonna go for the required ones, because from what I've heard, the other ones are a pain to get done. And funny story, there's a little bit of a wacky thing that you can get. Hang on, I need to check if it's there first. Okay, well, can't go up this way. So I'm gonna go the long way. Think it's this main big building over here. Yeah, it is. So if you go down into the basement of this building, which I think you can get down by going around into here. Oh, well, no, but okay, you can't. Let's see. Which one is it? I know it's one of these. Yeah, right here. There is a vault. And let me just drop this right here. Okay. Got the fire. Here, let's just look in. You see, oh, I forgot I already got these. So normally there's some gold and some money on that table in there. And here, I'll show you how to get to it if you haven't seen already. It's pretty simple. You just need the plank crate. That's about it. And what you do is you put one plank right here, one like this. You just jump. Oh shit, I put it too high. Let me put it a bit lower. So you just jump up. Okay, it's tweaking out a little bit. You just try and jump. Oh, apparently I have links, which is weird because I think I bought them. But I guess not, so I'm gonna actually restart. Hang on, I need to see how many planks I have. 8. Okay, well, that means we're gonna go to the abort mission. And let's see, how much money do I have? I should have quite a bit. Yeah, I do. I have enough. We're gonna go to our tools. Planks. Buy 2 of that. Blue Tide. There we go. I should have more than enough to do this now. And then you just go over here. And there's you can actually see there's a door right there and it just wraps around. But up in the ceiling right here, if you just hit it, okay, I'm having a little bit of trouble here. push it out, pick up the gold, pick up that, and then you can just go back out. And you have like, I think it's like $2,800 worth of stuff right there. But right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a way into this building. We're gonna get our flamethrower, or well, our blowtorch. Hit this, hit this, hit this. So you can just push or pull out the door. You might have to do a little bit more than that, but you know how it is. And then you go up here. See, I think the computer is in one of these rooms. I know you can pick up something worth money in here. There should be a valuable somewhere. Maybe not. But the computer is... okay, it's on the other side. It's over here in this room. Yeah, right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up... we're not gonna start here, we're gonna start up at this one and then make our way down around it. So, but first, we're gonna clear out the bit. See if we can make an easier way in. So, you can't really get up on the roof. You could build a plank bridge up, but we are gonna do the easier way. And this is just for getting out, because there's this one right here, and then we can make our way back. Or we could hit this one later. Or we can hit this one last. And we're just gonna blowtorch out all these window bars. This could be a good escape route if you want to run around this way, like so. And then just run back through here. So we've already got that one set up. And next one is over there. I believe. Oh yeah, it's right here. So it's actually in the basement in the server room. I forgot about that. So you have to actually go down here. Oh yeah, you have to flamethrower out the door. Fuck that door. Alright, and then everything. I don't think there's any valuables in here, I don't think. Let's move all this out. Break this up into pieces. It's out of the way. So you can just run in. Alright, good. So basically the way we're going to do is just we're going to get our shotgun. Doesn't make much sense because I just blew out that door, but it's okay. Nice hole. Let's see, how easy is this to get into? Okay, easy enough. I've never actually done this without like jetpack, because my first playthrough I used the jetpack to get through. I think this one is also downstairs in this building. Yeah, it is at the very bottom floor. Which is rather annoying because to go all the way around here, or you can just blow through this back wall, which I'm probably gonna do. Yeah, just blow through that back wall, and then you can run around here. Wonder, can you get in through this door? No. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of a funny. Oh shit. Just completely get rid of all the bars that are blocking the door. So this should be a pretty easy run through. You can just run through here. So let's set up a route. I like to set up the route before I do anything else. Okay, we're gonna do this one first. We're gonna do this one. And just run up. I like to be very thorough with things like this because it's just generally easier to do. I didn't need to go that way. It's gonna be a shorter route if I just cut through. Alright, which layer is this on? Oh, it's right there. Okay. I am not gonna shoot out that floor because that'll be very bad. God damn. Oh, the computer's right here. Okay. And we can just smash out this window. So as you can see, here's our route. We just go through here, run around, go back through. And then I guess we can do this. Here, let me use the gun. Alright, good plank crate bridge up. And I'm gonna make a ladder. Going up like so. Alright, good. Then you can just jump through, grab here. Alright, good. So we're actually gonna jump down, put out our spray can. Just do this, do it simple. And then just put a giant yellow dot on the wall. And then we just paint this. Now we need to get out our exit route, which will be out this way, like the way I showed you. And boom. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the start of our route right now. It's a quick save, and then I'm gonna look for valuables, because I know there are some on this map. And some pretty good ones at that. Other than the ones I've already collected. Alright. So first, I'm gonna hit up the register. It used to be there, unless I've already got all the good valuables at least. Which I think I might have. Yeah, I have. Okay. Oh, apparently not. Okay. Here we go. Not even gonna use vehicles in this one because they're all within running distance of each other, even though I probably should use a car. I might have to, because the way this route's looking, I might genuinely have to. Oh fuck. Oh, I'll be fine. Cutting it real close with the time. Real close. Okay, well that's dope. Let's just keep moving on. Just keep moving. Check and see if I'm actually recording. Okay, I am. Oh, a new tool. Good. Goody. Oh, it's the bomb. Cool. I don't know if I want to do these because these are really really big pain in the ass. These are relatively easy. This one is, at least. Okay, let's do this one because I know the route. I've already done it once or twice. I think I just heard somebody's car alarm go off outside. That's funny. So we're gonna grab. Oh wait, no, we need to get the required. We only need 3. I'm actually gonna use this car here. Help me get to the second one. Alright. Now what we're gonna do here is break out this entire thing. And then we're gonna flamethrower out the bottom so it can't come up and nail us in the ass when we're going through. We're just gonna break up all these little bits and pieces of it. Then we're gonna come over here, and there's this car. So we're gonna break out 2 of these windows. About here. Okay. Then we're gonna grab our actually, we can use these now. Easy peasy. We just throw out all the little bits and pieces. And then we're gonna flamethrower this one. We're just gonna bring all of them, or not. Okay. Okay, so they're all moved out of the way, so we're all good and dandy right here for this one. Then we're gonna drive over to this one. We need to actually get this car turned around because it's a pain in the ass to get turned around on its own. But in the meantime, grab this little smart car. That way we have 2 cars to drive. We're basically setting up like the perfect. So I'm actually going to move the other car's way. So they'll be right next to each other when we come back. And we're going to go for this truck that is right here. I remember when this pool wasn't filled. That was the start of the game, pretty much. We're basically going to put as much tension on this alarm right here as we can without breaking it. Oh shit. Okay, good enough. And now we need to get this one over here turned around. Which is a pretty big pain because there's these little boys right here. Oh, it's on fire. Oh shit. First disconnect these from the car, or from this thing. Okay, so we are basically set up completely perfectly for this, but we're gonna actually cut down this tree so it's easier to get through here. Okay, we're clear. And then we just need to whip both these cars actually, the truck and this car, through the same route. So I'm going to quick save over here at the sports car. I'm glad though, the first time I did this one and I blew a hole in this wall over here and it crashed my fucking game. It was funny. But I'm actually gonna completely remove these because these are annoying and get caught in the wheels and shit. So here we go. Quick saved. We should be good. No, I got out of the truck. That's annoying. No way. This is a bad run. This is a very bad run. I might just reload completely. Yeah, this is a reload run. That was not a good at all. Okay, we're actually gonna fix something right here, because I noticed that whenever I came over I hit the branches of this tree, and I hit this bush over here too. Or not this, but it might have been one of these, I don't know. Yeah, it was this one. Okay. I'm gonna break this one up. There's really not that much left to hit. Alright. I'm gonna move all this into this little section right here, so we can't hit. And I'm actually gonna get a better car for what I'm about to do. Let's see, are there any good ones out here? No. Because this whole smart car does not handle well in dirt. Who's surprised? I'm surprised this one handled as well. I know there's a car in here, like an actual car. Fucking flung that thing. Holy shit. There's like, what's it called? SUV in here. Or there was. Huh. Pretty wacky. Okay, well, I guess we're going somewhere. Let's see. Just gonna scan the map. Guess that's van. That van is the car we're taking out to this truck, or not this truck. Yeah, the truck. Yeah. Okay. Sorry if I'm not really funny or I don't really make interesting content, but I mean, what can I do? I'm starting up a YouTube channel fresh from scratch for the third or fourth time. Actually, use this one because it's gonna be faster than that van. The Civic. Oh. Oh. I actually attempted to record a video on Burnout Paradise, but I never hit the record button, so I just spent 30 minutes talking to myself. Which is really funny, actually. Okay. We should be good enough now to start and do our job, which is committing insurance fraud. Oh, that's not good. I think I'd say that's a quick load. Just fucking completely slammed the front of the car because I wasn't thinking straight and hopped out too early. That's unfortunate. Okay, are we still recording? We're still recording. Good. Okay, better. Now we get the truck. Oh, that was kind of rough. Come on, get through it, come on. Better, much better. Better line. I take it back. Yeah, no, this isn't it. Man. One car left and I had no time. Okay. We're gonna do a different car. I think that's what we're gonna do, because we got those breaching charges. So we actually have the ability to blow a better hole in that wall right here. I don't know why I didn't do this the first time. Good enough. And we can use my modded gun to make that hole a little bit better. Oh, well, I can just do this. Okay. Let's get all these big chunks out of the way. Make sure there's nothing we can run into, you know? I mean, otherwise it should be fine. Oops. Okay, so now we need to drive back through here and into this. So that's what we're gonna do, okay. We're gonna ignore that one. We're gonna ignore that one. Just go straight for this one in here and do it. That was a lot better. Oh shit. Okay, that's not good. That's really not good. I think we'll make it in time though. Yeah, we will. There's our good friend helicopter. Huh? Oh my god, dude, if that didn't happen, we would have had it. I don't even know what I hit there. I don't even know what I hit. That is so annoying. That is very annoying. Recording. Oh no, so slow. Fuck, I'm gonna go through here. Okay, okay. Hit every fucking stoplight. Every light on the way out. Oh, that's annoying. That one was a good one. Get some coffee. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Is this a main mission or the mission? Okay, I need to do this one. This one's kind of annoying. I'm not even gonna lie. This one's pretty annoying. Okay, well, I know best that this one's a pain in the ass because I've had to do it more than once. And there's only really one good way to do it. You basically have to punch a hole in the floor right here, which those breaching charges would be really good for. I don't even think I've cleared this one for valuables, so we're gonna do that. Ooh, the ray tracing is hurting my computer. Checking here for anything. I know there might be something in the bathroom. There normally is. Okay, apparently not. Break his toilet because fuck toilets and using them. Oh. Oh yeah, this. Open, says me. Okay, we're making some money back. Just very slowly. Is this a valuable? Yes it is. Ooh, my sister's screaming. How wonderful. Let's see, anything in here? How about in these? Popcorn machine. $12 manual. The fuck, man? it's the credits of the game. That's really cool. Never really seen anything like that before. You don't really see that very often, where the credits are part of the game, like they're in the world of the game. Ooh, FPS drop. Pretty heavy one too. That was kind of weird. Sex. Much sex happened here. I knew there's one in here. Great lighter. Oh shit. Let me just break his entire bed real quick. Let's see, is there anything under here yet? I know in one of these there was something under the... Yeah, okay, well. Hot tub. For, let's see... 7. Because why not? Knew it. $250 credit card, goddamn. Oh, the frames, my frames, my frames. Okay. FPS, who needs it? It's worthless to me. Cause I mean, who plays video games for performance anyways? Like, couldn't be me. There's gotta be something out here worth something. Nope. Just a chest set that I'm knocking over. Oh, one of the safes, optional safes is in here. Nothing. Nothing. I didn't even really check in this one. Nothing. Okay. Oh, never mind. That's not what happened. Okay, well, abort mission. Well, I'm probably going to end the video here because I think I've done quite a bit so far. But right now, what we're going to do is upgrade the bomb. So we have 24 of them. So, what? I still haven't done this one? Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. Really? Manage video. Create, upload. File, show recordings.